doing there? He said he was done like hours ago. Yeah, he finished those 2 hours ago.
Looks nice and clean in here.
Yeah, it's a nice building.
Well, the walls and
We did it
everything.
all over. I had that. Yeah, since you were last in here.
Huh?
How are you? Not bad. Anne Marie.
No idea, that's what I was telling you about. Yeah, it's out here, the light sweeper's out here.
You guys are electricians. What the fuck is this stuff?
Dallas?
Ballast,
For what?
light fixtures like these. Put them in.
Yeah, I gave John the beacon. The red one.
This one here, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. All right. So this should have
circuit.
breaker lock, label, final and control signs up, new panel, all new devices.
I got the old system.
You got the old system.
Still works, so I don't know how.
FC72.
No, it was older, from like the 60s.
70s.
70s, yeah. Probably the oldest one I've seen.
Brandon has it now.
Yeah.
He inherited it.
Yep.
Is it all wired up in your unit?
I got part of it, but I'm still trying to figure out how to wire up the devices.
Yeah, it's
The oldest one I've seen is at the Orpheum in Foxborough.
how it's down.
I have no idea.
It might be older than here. All right, let's do this.
Can we just do this one girl's first?
Absolutely.
All right. They won't come back down.
You're the boss. I just follow you.
That's true.
And same here, it's just visuals in the unit.
Okay, cool.
On camera.
Hello.
Hello.
Won't take long.
Yep.
We're good.
Cool. That was it?
That's
I
it.
told
Very
you.
exciting,
Oh,
yeah.
so exciting. Okay, bye.
See you later. You're gonna hear some stuff going off, but
Okay. Nothing you would be alarmed about though?
yeah, you're all set.
You want to start at the top and work our way down? or-
Whatever you think's best, I can do it either way. Yeah.
That
we
way
can do
when
that.
we're done, we're
Done?
at the bottom.
Very smart.
Since we're already halfway up.
That's very smart.
Oh, look, you got your sticker. That guy was very concerned.
Yeah, I know, it was.
It was temporarily down there.
Yes,
We'll be very fast.
well, as long as you're fast, then come in.
It's gonna be so fast that, ready?
Already done. That's it.
You're good.
Now what makes it work when you just look
I
at it?
just have to visually see that it's not hanging, it's not falling, you didn't paint it, the disc on it's not bent.
Didn't do any
That's
of
it.
that. No. Have a good day.
You too.
Hi, Karen.
Maintenance.
I'll come back to that one.
Okay.
If you want to hit the pull station, you can.
Going through it, coming at you.
You ready for more? Just tell me when you're ready now.
I'm ready when you are.
Hello?
You might have to give it a second.
Yeah.
He's got to reset.
Hello?
Maintenance.
Maintenance, hello?
Sounds like Abercrombie.
Yeah, really.
Maintenance. Oh, you go ahead and send that one.
Hi, how you doing? Just checking your alarms.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? This won't take more than a second.
Don't worry about it.
Diane?
All set.
Thank you. Hey, Wayne, real quick.
You want me to lock this?
No.
Anything new from housing?
No.
Nothing, peanuts, quiet? Thanks, Wayne.
That's it.
Alrighty. Have a good day.
Thank you. Hello, Diane?
Nice and clean in there.
Yeah, it's nice.
And then you said you gotta get a key for this one?
Yeah, I can go get it.
Get the smoke.
Let me go grab it real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, the alarm here went off recently. John did not get a phone call at all from the modern company.
Really?
Yeah, he texted me. I'm like, I'm not home. But the fire department can give him a call.
Who called John? If you
The fire department.
Oh, the fire department. Huh. Look at that.
I swear, he needs some kind of a assistant during the day. Poor guy's always busy.
You know you need an assistant.
I did the stuff at the tenants I can do myself.
Yeah, that's.
Hello?
I actually like that about you.
Hi, how you doing? Hello? Oh, all right.
It's not the old one, that's like
Okay, all
stuff.
set. Thank you.
Thank you. That's it. Bye-bye. Of course. These are the keywords. She's the only one on the master. I gotta get her on the master.
Hey, Mary, you home? Probably been going Dodo.
She left it open for us. It's a nice apartment.
Oh, wait, she's singing, huh? She's out watching us right now.
Yeah, yeah. Hello? John?
A little smoke dripping in there.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Rock and roll.
Go ahead.
Sounds like there's no walk test.
This one we did already.
Yeah.
That was like the first one, the one that came up for.
Yep, it is there.
This is Brenda's unit.
Yep, she thinks she's working. Yeah, I helped Richie redo that apartment.
This is your unit?
No, mine. I'm number one.
How are you? We'll be very fast.
Okay, all set.
All set, thank you. I told you, fast.
Oh, just this one.
Just this one. Thank you.
We'll see you next year.
Not this locked?
Yeah, actually no.
No, it's theirs.
I'm gonna go to that one, yep.
Go for it.
Hello?
Number one.
You can go ahead and do that one whenever you want.
And? Done. I'll be right in. Thank you so much. I'll do it. You got a lot there.
Barry, you home?
You know what, that day you called me, it got worse and it hasn't stopped. I'm sick of calling you because I feel so bad. I'm sorry, I don't want to lie.
No, it's okay.
Nonsense. It's so unfair.
Are you feeling better?
I'm getting better.
That's probably how some of it too, you know, it's, you know.
Could be. Well, the thing is, it's showing me one another.
Yeah.
Because it's more than my sleep.
Oh. Alright. Take it easy. Hey, Barry?
He might be not home. I didn't hear him. I knocked on the door already. There she is.
How's it going?
Good, you?
We try. How you doing?
How you doing, John?
Mike?
Oh, yeah, looking so.
Mike?
Wait for a post station?
Yeah, go for it.
Alright.
So we're gonna go back to 9.
What? Close it up.
This guy just leaves his door locked all the time, so.
Yeah, he's,
Interesting, I guess.
yeah, he's a little out there.
Yeah, what's up, Paul?
Yeah, yeah, when the system first went off, that's where the device got kicked off. Cause she left friggin' food on the stove.
And then opened the door and the smoke came out.
Yep, for the whole purpose of the smoke.
Complex is on the air.
I gotta get you now. Oh, my God.
Here he is.
How are you? What's up, Brandon?
Not much. I think you just missed the alarm test. Well, almost.
One more to go.
Sorry, guys, man.
Oh, no worries. We're in your way. All right. Can't speak for you guys. What does that do? It actually sprays smoke into it. And then clean. It's pretty cool. Fancy. What's up, Brandon?
Not much.
Just gonna do that smoke behind you, and I gotta go look at one of the ones that you want to set down on. I'll go for it. Or if Brandon wants to, whatever.
Okay, I'll do it. Reset? Almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use that.
Alright. You need a label maker? I got one.
No, it's good. You can see. You can still see the stickers on top.
Oh yeah, not much.
I don't know where John went.
He's outside.
Paul, can you try to fix this thing? Is that what it is? What's wrong with it?
I can't get my key to go all the way in.
All right, let's just take it off then. I'll get cops to make another one.
All right. I can just pick it down there right now.
I don't know if he's there.
Okay.
Just keep cranking on it. Just rip it off so people can get in. He just showed up, our last man of the hour.
Alrighty. Should we all just like clap when he walks up?
I mean, Christ, he's been here for 40 years, so he's the only one.
We'll see you over there. See you there. What's up, Barry?
Hey, John, you going on the house call there, Doctor?
You're the last unit we got left.
Huh?
You're the last unit we got left.
You already did them all already?
Yeah.
Oh, Christ, it's only a little after 11,
I
right?
know, yeah.
All right, I'll let you right in.
We just finished though. It wasn't like we literally just, the timing was perfect.
Okay.
This master doesn't work on your door.
No, no. Nope. It's so old, John. Hey, Paul.
John, Barry, what's up?
How's it going?
Yeah, peachy.
Yeah, that's an old marker. John, is this any key over there?
Is that your original key?
It probably is. Okay.
Yeah, I just gotta do one more to do. Alright, you're good.
Holy Christ, that was quick.
Alright.
Thanks,
All right.
Barry.
Hey, you don't know there's any garages for rent, do you?
Why, you need one?
John? Well, I got a friend of mine that does detailing cars, you know, when he's looking for a place.
Well, that's Don Cerrone.
Yeah, that's cool. He details cars. He's down on Route 1 next to the Academy Car Wash right now.
Let's go finish up with these guys.